everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. I have completed with you third group of 42 letter sound G, O, U, L, F, B. So first revise the letter sounds. Letter G, 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 G. Letter O, 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 O. Letter U, O, O, O. Letter L, L, L. Letter F, F. Letter B, 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 B. Okay. Now in this video, I am going to revise these three groups with fun way method. So let's revise the sound. So, a, e, ch, to, I, po, no. These both make the same sound. C, K, ko, ko, e, ho, ho, r, ma, j, 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 g, 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 o, 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 l, l. Okay. Now in this video we are going to do worksheet. Okay. Parents, you can draw these pictures for your kids. Now pictures are drawn here. Identify these and write the letter sound it begin with. Okay. Now what's this ant? Ant. The first letter sound comes with letter A. The child will write here letter A. What's this? Tree. Tree. The letter begins with T sound. T. What's this? Sun. The first letter begins with S. This is nest. Nest. No. This is igloo. Igloo. The first letter sound will be letter I. What's this? Pencil. Pencil. Letter P. This is first group. Now we start second group. What's this? Hat. Hat. The first letter begins with H. What's this? Rat. Rat. Letter R. What's this? Cup. Cup. Letter C. Soft K sound. Letter C. This is kite. Kite. Hard K. Letter K. This is drum. Drum. Letter T. What's this? Elephant. Elephant. Letter E. This is mat. Mat. Letter M. Now this is third group. What's this? Leaf. Leaf. Letter L. What's this? Umbrella. Umbrella. Letter U. What's this? Fish. For fish. Letter F. What's this? Octopus. Octopus. Letter O. What's this? Butterfly. Butterfly. Letter B. What are these? Grapes. Grapes. Letter G. Okay. So it is very important to revise the formation of each letter regularly. When children are writing, parents please make sure to check the pencil hole and letter formation is correct. Okay. Now we will do second worksheet. Write in the missing letter sound for each word. Now you ask your kids, what's this? They can easily identify the picture. This is bat. Bat. So here A sound is missing. Letter A. Okay. What's this? Hen. Hen. So here missing E sound. Letter E. What's this? Mug. Mug. This is U sound. Letter U. What's this? Sun. Sun. Here sound is missing. Letter U. A sound. This is mop. Mop. Here letter sound O is missing. This is pin. Pin. I is missing. This is ant. Ant. N sound is missing. Letter N will come here. This is net. Net. Your E sound is missing. Letter E will come here. Now this is saw. Saw. Letter O. This is cap. Cap. A sound is missing. Letter A. This is pig. Pig. A. Letter I. This is pot. Pot. O is missing. Now watch this video again and repeat the letter sound after me. It will really help you to blend the words. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. The topic is short vowels and consonants. Till then, bye.